This hair is so cute. This hair is so cute. So cute. This hair is so cute. So cute. Your girl is ready to switch it up.
I'm the girl you shouldn't fuck with. Chilling with the boys, you do.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it again with another video. So if this is your first time ever being on my channel, then I'm gonna need for you guys to smash that subscribe button and join my family. And if you're already part of the family, part of the Shell Squad, part of the RX Bays, then welcome back, fam. Welcome to another video. Okay, guys, so before I actually get into the rest of today's video, I'm truly serious. What are you doing? Seriously, what the f are you doing? Smash that subscribe button, join the family, be part of gang. But yeah, so as you guys can see, your girl got a new color. We're channeling some scissor right here. And you know what? I don't know what took me so long to do this color. It was heavy on my mind for about 2 years, you guys. Like, what? And like last year, I was so certain that I was probably going to do it. But then I was like at the point where I was really starting to get like hair collaborations and stuff like that on my YouTube channel, and it was like the hair that I was getting, I didn't want to dye that color because I wanted hair that I can actually like rotate ever so often. And I was like, well, I don't know how many more collaborations I'm gonna get, so the hair that I was like receiving, I was like, I don't want to dye it, I don't want to do this and that. Now your girl is ready to switch it up, man. I'm so tired of black hair. I'm happy that I finally did it. I finally did it. So here is this hair color. I do have a lot of hair color videos actually coming up. You guys know that I started like a color series. I call everything on this channel series, but you guys know that I had started with that lavender. That was a leap in the direction of me trying colored hair. Last year I did the burgundy, which I am probably going to like redo that. When I did that hair back then, the watercolor method did not like exist. So yeah, I'm excited to do so many more hair videos, so many different hair color videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys just like this hair color on me. I think it should pop in. I think that it looks good. I got the baby hair laid, so there is absolutely no black, y'all, except for my eyebrows. I really like this hair color, you guys. I think it fits my skin complexion pretty well. You guys let me know, am I channeling some scissor right now or not? But yeah, anyways, this video is in a collaboration with One More. I'm just going to show you guys the box real quick because it is white. It is going to throw off the lighting. So this is the box. It's very beautiful. On the back, it actually does have hair care with pictures, y'all. So y'all have no reason for your wigs to not be like staying intact, looking good, maintaining them. They legit have pictures, and I'm gonna give it to One More on this packaging. Like, y'all did that. y'all did that. Okay, so yeah, One More hair, you guys did that. So this is my first time actually doing a collaboration with One More. I was connected through one of my other collaborations and networking and whatnot, and they wanted me to do a collab, so I was like, oh, for show. So this is a curly unit from them. This is actually 20 inches, and it is a frontal wig, so it is 13x4 frontal. The density is 130, and then the price, let me double check, you guys. The price is only $118.99, and there is a 8% discount. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. And there is a 5% discount, so you guys can like do your math and figure out what that comes out to. In the state of Washington, we got taxes or whatever, so I had to pay a little bit more because of the taxes. But this hair is so cute. This hair is so cute, so cute. This hair is so cute, so cute. I love this color, you guys. I love this color so much. I actually did not show you guys how I achieved this color, and the reason why I did not do that is because I actually have a vlog where I was dyeing a client's bundles this color. So I used the Adore colors, and I used it in cinnamon and Cajun spice, and this is what we have. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Now as far as it goes for the hair, okay, so let's talk about that. It is, like I said, a 13x4 frontal, so it is nice. I like that. The only thing is on the sides it is a little shorter, so you're gonna get your full 4 inches in the middle, and on the side it is going to be shorter, which, you know, it is what it is. It's okay, it's not bad. You can still work your way with it. The frontal, I mean the wig, so the wig does come plucked or whatever, so to my lazy queens out there, you don't have to pluck it, and it does come with baby hairs. However, this time, y'all, I was not lazy. I went in and I did a little extra plucking just so I could have like a more, I don't know, a more laid effect or whatever. So I went in and I plucked it. Of course I bleached the knots, because when I bleached this unit, I bleached everything, okay? So the knots are bleached on this unit, and obviously that means that this hair can take bleach well. It did not dry out the hair, it did not change the curl pattern or anything, which is lovely, lovely, lovely. But yeah, I really like this hair. It, like I said, it's 130% density, so it doesn't look the flattest, but at the same time it's not the fullest, but at the same time it's curly hair, so it looks like the volume looks very like nice. The density is fine, it's not bad. It's not super heavy because of that, and I really like that. Like I said, this is 20 inches. Now I don't know how true to length that is. It could possibly be 20 inches, but to me it kind of looks like it's more 18 inches. I don't really know. It's curly hair, so it's like really hard to tell unless you straightened it. So probably if I was to straighten this, it is actually 20 inches. So I'll probably do a video straightening it, because this hair is curly hair, like I said, but it's easy to brush through. I brushed through this hair before I wet it, and I had no issues with that. So I mean, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. And as far as it goes for tangles, I don't really have that many tangles, and I don't have that many products in my hair. I don't like to put too much product in my hair because I don't like it to be weighed down. I just like it to be like a little defined without doing too much. So I just have in like some gel, a little bit of mousse, and oil, olive oil in the hair to keep it moisturized, because after I dyed it, I noticed that it was a little dry, so I just decided to go in with some olive oil and just coat that on the hair, and then the hair felt very moisturized after that. And then also I used some Shea Moisture curl moisturizing cream or whatever, and then I went in with that, and here we are. So you guys let me know what you think of this hair, what you think about this hair color. Let me double check and make sure it's prime shipping. It is prime shipping, so you can get it within 2 days. So don't say I didn't put you on, y'all. Don't say I didn't put you on. Would I recommend this hair? Absolutely. I love it. I think I look gorgeous. And I think it's serving scissor. I think it's doing its thing. The curls in the front are a little looser than the curls in the back, but that really doesn't bother me. This hair is gorgeous. It's cute. I like it. I'm gonna be rocking it. Y'all gonna get tired of me in this orange hair. Call me Ginger Bae. Call me Carrot Top. Call me whatever you want, but don't call me, I don't know. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. All information regarding this hair is going to be in the description box, so be sure to check out One More Hair. I recommend them. I really do recommend them. So check them out. Like I said, all information is going to be in the description box. If you want more information on this hair, feel free to leave a comment. If you guys have any questions on stuff I didn't touch on, be sure to leave that down below in the description box. Other than that, that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to tell your mama, your auntie, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, and her grandma to join my family. Much love. Peace.